Tammy Slaton has long been a polarizing figure in the reality TV world ever since she first stepped into the spotlight with her sister Amy on TLC's hit show, 1000 LB Sisters. From her initial refusal to accept help to her inspiring weight loss transformation, Tammy's journey has been filled with emotional twists and unexpected challenges. But despite the progress and positivity surrounding her in recent seasons, a growing wave of concern is sweeping through the fanbase. Many viewers are now voicing their fears for Tammy's physical and emotional well-being, and with good reason. There's something unsettling in the air, something that goes beyond the surface of staged drama or scripted confrontations. Fans aren't just reacting to her story anymore, they're scared for her future. Tammy's weight loss transformation was nothing short of miraculous. After years of struggling with mobility, food addiction, and life-threatening health scares, she finally made the decision to commit to bariatric surgery. The results were stunning. She began shedding pounds rapidly and even shocked everyone with her incredible before and after TikTok videos. Her breathing improved, she was able to walk again, and she looked more confident than ever. But with rapid change comes new pressure, and the psychological toll of such a dramatic physical shift is something many fans feel Tammy hasn't fully processed. She's in a place now that she's never been before, and the sudden spotlight, paired with increased independence and freedom, could be dangerous if not properly supported. One of the biggest red flags came from Tammy's own social media presence. While she frequently posts cheerful photos and videos to TikTok and Instagram, eagle-eyed fans have noticed moments of inconsistency, sadness behind her eyes, and strange captions that suggest emotional distress. In one video, Tammy appeared with teary eyes, mumbling cryptic statements that many interpreted as signs of loneliness. Another post featured her lip-syncing to a song about betrayal and heartbreak, prompting widespread speculation that she may be going through personal turmoil. Despite her new outward glow, fans can't shake the feeling that something darker may be lingering beneath the surface. Her love life, too, has been a source of significant concern. Tammy has always had a complicated relationship history, and unfortunately, it doesn't seem like that pattern has changed. While she's opened up to love more than once, most of her relationships seem to follow the same toxic script, partners who either use her for fame or enable her unhealthy behaviors. After her split from her ex-husband Caleb Willingham, Tammy appeared determined to prioritize herself. But recent rumors and photos have linked her to new individuals whose intentions are questionable at best. Fans worry that Tammy may be falling back into old patterns, seeking comfort in relationships that don't nourish her growth or protect her vulnerability. Tammy's mental health is another major concern. Losing a massive amount of weight may improve one's physical health, but the emotional and psychological adjustment can be overwhelming. Body dysmorphia, lingering food addiction, and self-esteem issues don't simply vanish with a smaller number on the scale. If anything, the pressure to maintain her progress and appear strong can make it even harder to be honest about struggles. Tammy has admitted in the past that she battles depression and anxiety, and her isolation in rural Kentucky, combined with limited support systems, raises questions about whether she's receiving the professional care she needs. While the show often portrays her family checking in, fans know all too well that real support must extend beyond cameras and confessionals. Another layer of worry stems from Tammy's history with addiction, not just to food, but to nicotine and potentially alcohol. Although she's made strides to clean up her habits, her addictive tendencies may resurface, especially in times of emotional strain. Concerned viewers point to certain photos where Tammy is seen with questionable companions or in environments that suggest partying. While no definitive evidence has surfaced, the whispers have grown loud enough to suggest something may be amiss. With addiction recovery, even a single misstep can derail progress, and that threat looms large over her head. What's also alarming is how TLC continues to push Tammy's story for entertainment value, seemingly without fully protecting her from its impact. Reality television can be a double-edged sword. It offers a platform but also distorts real-life challenges into dramatic arcs for ratings. Fans have called out the network before for exploiting vulnerable moments, particularly Tammy's darkest struggles with obesity and hospitalizations. Now, some viewers fear that producers may be encouraging Tammy to lean into controversy or emotional breakdowns to keep the show engaging. If so, that pressure could lead to relapse, mental breakdowns, or worse. Tammy's support system has always been a complicated factor. Her relationship with Amy, while loving, has often been fraught with tension and miscommunication. While Amy has had her own battles to fight, including divorce, motherhood, and fluctuating weight, fans have questioned whether she is emotionally available to truly support Tammy during this delicate phase. The rest of their family, including siblings Chris and Mishti, do check in periodically, but viewers have noticed a lack of consistent presence. Many fans worry that when the cameras stop rolling, Tammy may be navigating her emotional landscape alone. Another disturbing trend is the online hate and fat shaming that Tammy continues to endure. Despite her weight loss, internet trolls still bombard her with criticism, comparing her to her old self or mocking her new appearance. This cyberbullying not only affects her self-esteem but could also trigger her to spiral back into self-destructive habits. Tammy has been vocal in the past about the toll social media takes on her mental health, and as her fame grows, so does the volume of negativity. Fans are pleading with her followers to be kinder, knowing that behind every viral post is a real person who's still healing. As Tammy inches closer to what many hope will be a full recovery and new chapter of life, fans are torn between hope and fear. They want to celebrate her milestones, her surgeries, her mobility, her independence, but they can't shake the ominous feeling that something's not right. Whether it's subtle signs of emotional struggle or the toxic environment of fame and online scrutiny, Tammy's future feels uncertain. And the scariest part, she may not see the danger coming. That's why fans aren't just watching, they're worried. They're invested. And they're scared that the next big headline won't be a celebration, but a tragedy. Tammy Slaton's journey has always been more than just numbers on a scale. It's been about pain, strength, trauma, and resilience. It's about a woman who grew up battling the odds, only to find herself thrust into a world where every mistake is broadcast, every emotion is dissected, and every step is judged. The weight she's lost is remarkable, but the emotional weight she still carries may be even heavier. Until Tammy finds consistent emotional support, healthy love, and a life beyond the limelight, the fear among fans won't go away. They care too much to look away. And they've seen enough to know that sometimes, a smile on social media can be a mask hiding the storm beneath. As 1000 LB Sisters prepares for future episodes and updates on Tammy's life, one question looms over everything: what happens when the spotlight dims? Will Tammy be left to face her demons alone? Or will she rise even stronger, finally free not just from the weight on her body, but the pain in her heart? For now, fans wait, hoping for the best but bracing for the worst. Because they aren't just followers of a show, they're witnesses to a real human struggle. And they're scared, not because they doubt Tammy's strength, but because they know how cruel the world can be to those who show it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.